non-stop buffering. What the hell do I do? I mean, how do I fix that? Hello everyone, this is Dr. Husham. Today we are talking about something you probably noticed at home. Your internet feels slower, you know how it is. Your streaming buffers more. The apps act weird for no reason. And no, it's not your device. It's not your Wi-Fi. It's not your IPTV app. Okay, this is ridiculous. Everybody thinks that is it. The truth is simple. UK internet providers are quietly tightening up how they manage traffic. Virgin, BT, Sky, TalkTalk, Sky, man, they're all doing it. Not because they hate streaming, which is probably the most thing that everybody thinks, but because network is drowning in demand. Their network is that they told everybody, here you go, you got unlimited internet. But the truth is, they only give you like 1 or 2 gigabyte for your house, maybe 3, maybe 5, maybe 10 for your house. But they don't want to give the entire neighborhood 10 gigabyte at the same time. And that's what's happening. I mean, currently, more people watching 4K, more devices online, more smart TVs, cameras, gaming console. I mean, we got loads of gaming consoles. Kids on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. My family's on TikTok. You know, I mean, just put it this way. Even if you work from home, that's a problem for them. Even if your kids are studying from home, that's a big problem. So your evening internet is fighting with millions of other households at the same time. So the ISPs respond with something they call traffic management. Oh my god. Before it was called throttling, now it's called traffic management. I mean, it sounds innocent, but it basically means slowing down certain types of data during busy hours. So the streaming, IPTV, downloads, anything heavy, your speed test might still show full speed. You go into speed test and you say, is my internet down? No, it's showing, so I'm very fast, so why am I getting buffering? Why am I getting not able to connect? What's going on? But the real life streaming drops, this is horrible. Now here's the important part. You're not powerless. There are things you can actually do to improve streaming quality right now. Number 1, use a proper wired connection if possible. Wi-Fi is convenient, let's be honest, but it loses strength through walls, floors, everything. I mean, even if you turn on your microwave, and the microwave has got a bad cable connected to it, or it's a damaged microwave. Even a fridge, if it's damaged, it will not tell you it's damaged. Its damage is inside. It will do a very bad wireless signal that will interfere with your Wi-Fi. These things happen. Number 2, switch your DNS. Now ISPs use their own DNS by default, and it's not always the fastest. So go to Cloudflare or Google DNS. They can immediately make apps feel snappier. That's the word, snappier. Number 3, check your router settings. Most people never log on to the router. Sometimes an old router or wrong band can cut your speed in half. I mean, if you connect to the Wi-Fi and you have a mixed Wi-Fi, like a 2G and 5G, both connected with one word, that's going to be a problem. You need to split it, and only connect to the 5G or the 6G, whatever. G that you have, but not the 2.4. If you connect the 2.4 for your IPTV, for your normal big devices, then big heavy devices, then you're gonna end up with your router will choose whatever you like. Number 4, avoid peak hours when possible. If you're watching something on demand, downloading content earlier in the day makes a difference. Okay, so this is strange, right? A lot of people actually, they like to connect at night. I like to connect at night. I come back from work, I want to connect at night. But the problem is, that's when your internet provider will actually monitors your internet traffic. So traffic management comes on at night. Number 5, use a VPN. Now this is the most common thing that everybody is using these days. And UK has told ISPs, stop forcing users to use a VPN. ISPs is shaping or slowing specific apps. Now, a VPN hides what you're doing, so they can't throttle you or just stream traffic you. They're kind of like a bit of a. It is a catch-22. In the UK, they have actually said, stop forcing users to do VPN. But what do? You use VPN because your internet provider sucks. And then, especially like these big providers, they don't like to listen to rules. At the end of the day, ISPs won't tell you the truth. No way. You can call them and you tell them, hey, listen, this is what's happening. And let me tell you something that is pure and simple. Customer service for internet service providers are freaking idiots. They don't know shit. But you can absolutely take control of your own streaming experience by putting a VPN if you think that is much better for you. A lot of people actually put the VPN and then they say, hey, it's still not working. You gotta change the traffic protocols or whatever. You know what? Contact me. Go to my forum and I'll help you out. I've got loads of people in there. They will help you out. If you want me to make a full video on how to check if your ISP is throttling you, let me know in the comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Dr. Husham, and I'll see you in the next video.